News that matters, facts that amaze, and stories that shape the world. You're watching My Knowledge Express. Let's jump right in. After a landslide victory in the Delhi Assembly elections, where the BJP secured 48 seats, the party has chosen Rekha Gupta as the new chief minister. This marks a major political move for the BJP, securing its hold over the capital. With her appointment, Rekha Gupta becomes Delhi's fourth woman CM, following the legacies of Sushma Swaraj, Sheila Dikshit and Atishi. But what changes will she bring? How will her leadership change Delhi's future? As she steps into this crucial role, all eyes are on her next moves. In Nepal, plastic waste is a big problem, but what if it could be used for something useful? A group of young entrepreneurs had a brilliant idea, turning plastic trash into roads. How does it work? They collect plastic waste, shred it into tiny pieces, and mix it with bitumen to create strong road material. Studies show that these roads last longer and resist damage better than regular asphalt roads. Can plastic really help the environment? Yes, by using plastic in roads. Nepal is reducing landfill waste, pollution, and greenhouse gases emissions. A small idea making a big difference. A heated debate has erupted after President Trump signed an executive order to rename the Gulf of Mexico as the Gulf of America. But why the sudden change? This region is not just a body of water, it's a lifeline for trade, energy, and tourism. It connects the US, Mexico, and Cuba, making it a key economic hub. But could this be renaming strain international relations? Would Mexico and Cuba accept such a move? A Nellore cow named Viatina 19 made history by selling for 40 crore rupees at an auction in Brazil, breaking a Guinness World Record. This isn't just any cow. She has won multiple awards, including Miss South America and the Champion of the World contest, the bovine Miss Universe. Weighing 1101 kg, twice the average for her breed, she truly deserves this award. Rohit Sharma has made history. He became the second fastest player to score 11,000 ODI runs, reaching this milestone in just 261 innings. But wait, who holds the record for being the first fastest? Do you know the answer? If not, check the notes below and comment your guesses. Kash Vinod Patel, better known as the Kash Patel, is an American lawyer, former federal prosecutor, and government official. In 2025, he took on a major role as the ninth director of the Federal Bureau of Investigation (FBI). But what led him to his position? The FBI is a powerful US government agency responsible for investigating crimes and gathering intelligence. It operates under the Department of Justice and is a key part of the US intelligence community. Once a popular tourist spot, the Dead Sea is rapidly shrinking due to industrial activity, water diversion, and climate change. Once crowded beaches now is empty, while sinkholes turn the land into a crumbling wasteland. Experts warn of an ecological disaster, but regional conflicts have stalled efforts to save it. Though Israel and Jordan have discussed solutions like desalination and water canals, political instability hinders action. With the sea receding at an alarming rate, one question remains. Can this natural wonder be saved or will it disappear forever? On February 19, Senior Election Commissioner Gyanesh Kumar was appointed as India's 26th Chief Election Commissioner (CEC). But what does this mean for India's electoral process? The Chief Election Commissioner plays a crucial role in ensuring free and fair elections across the country. With major elections ahead, how will Kumar handle challenges like voter security, election transparency, and the use of technology in polling? As India, the world's largest democracy, prepares for upcoming elections, all eyes will be on Kumar's leadership. Natarajan Chandrasekharan, chairman of the Tata Group, received a great honor, an honorary knighthood from the United Kingdom. The award was conferred on February 14, 2025 as part of the British honour system, which is decided by expert committees and senior government officials. But do you know who officially grants these awards? The Sovereign of the United Kingdom, currently King Charles III, officially grants these awards in the British honour system. That's a wrap. If you found this interesting, don't forget to subscribe for more. Thank you for watching my channel. See you soon.